Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel World of Coding. So here I'm on lecture number 7, which is the operators. We are discussing about the operators. So here I am with comparison operators. So let's go toward a computer and check it one by one. Okay guys. So here I'm taking first a block comment to paste it over there. And then in the block comment, then again include IOStream. Include IOStream using namespace std, entering a man body, anti-man, and curly braces. Okay, so first we have equal. In a previous lecture I used int x equal to 5, which means that we assign a value to identifier, which means that we are assigning a value to identifier. Okay, so first for a user, I am taking here to identifier, which give the identity of what integers. Okay, cout for a user, enter the value of x. Okay, and now cin x, and cout enter the value of y. Okay, and cin what? Cin y. Okay, so what we have first? We have a first operator f(x) equal to 5. Here I am discussing about f condition. What is f condition? F condition is that if we have one thing is true, then other is false. We have taken this condition f and else. I am using there f and else. So how I can use f and else? F here I am taking what is the syntax of f condition. The syntax of f condition, we just take f and then a condition and then a condition. This is a simple syntax of it. Okay, and if the condition of this is not true, then we can here on a curly braces we can put any command that if condition is true, so cout our command in a braces. Okay, our command whatever we do in a command, simply we can say that this is the body of f. This is the body of f. Then if this f condition is not satisfied, then we say that do else part. What is the else part? Else is that if the f condition is not true, then do this one. Cout whatever we do, we give a command. Okay, whatever we give a command. Okay, so now let's go toward it. Okay guys, f x greater than fx equal to 5, fx equal to 5, then cout what? Cout equal. Okay guys, and then else part, else cout if these both are not equal, if the condition is not true of else f, so else cout that not equal, then cout not equal. Let's check it out. Then cout not equal. Okay guys, now let's run it. So here I'm putting for x 4 and from y a 4. So what it says? It says these both are equal. Okay guys, if I give, like, let's suppose over here x equal 4 and y equal 5, so these both are not equal, so it says not equal. This both simply it's print out these both are not equal. Okay guys, so one more thing here, this means that not equal. So if these both are not equal, so then print what? Then print not equal. If these both are equal, so print else in else part. Now print equal. Okay, let's check it out. 4, so it says it is equal, and now again 4, 3 not equal. Okay guys, here I'm giving a space, so it print a space over there as well. Okay, not equal. Okay guys, let's go ahead. And one more thing, less than, greater than. less than and greater than. So what is the meaning of less than and greater than? If I print over here, if x greater than 5, x greater than y, sorry, so says this is greater, so said this is greater, or if condition is not true, so says this is less than. So I am here using both greater than and less than. If I show you that if I modify this else condition as well, so let's make it a little bit what the else conditions do. If here I am giving a x greater than y, so else condition run automatically. Why it run? Because it know that if x not greater than y, so it print this condition x less than y by itself. Okay, but here I am giving it a condition again, else if. Okay, now let's check it out. Here I am taking a x5 and x and y and x greater than y, so x greater than y. So here I am taking y less than x. So like suppose I take 4. So this is greater. Okay, this is greater. Now this was greater than and less than. I will discuss about it in a logical operator. So let's go ahead with the logical operator. Logical operators now. What are the logical operators? These are the 3 of the logical operators over there. Let's control C and control V over there. Control V. Okay. So now in a logical operator we have and or not. Okay. So let's go toward the end. So here I am taking int conditions. int. Okay, yeah, I'm erasing it. I'm just printing greater than 5, and no, I'm just erasing greater than 5. Okay, and y less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to 10. I'm doing this else condition over there because no need of it. Okay, condition satisfy. Here I'm just the condition. Okay, condition okay. Here not okay. Okay, so here see. First understand it. What it do? It do that if I give x value, which is equal to and greater than 5. So we can take x value from 5 to infinity. From 5 to infinity. But we couldn't take x value less than 5 because I gave here a condition x greater than and equal to 5. Okay. So from y I take y less than 10. We take from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10. But not more than 10. Because y less than 10 but equal to 10. So we take from 1 to 10 for y. Now let's run it. Okay, here from y what I'm taking from 5 up to infinity. Here I'm taking 1000. Okay, and from y I'm taking less than. As we seen, one condition is satisfied because we take from 5 to infinity, and from y we take from 1 to 10. So here I'm taking 5. So it says condition okay. But see over there one more thing. If I taking 1000 for a x, one condition is satisfied. But if I take over here 11, so this condition is not satisfied because we take y from 1 to 10. So here I am entering. So it says not okay because in our AND operator we must have the both condition will be satisfied. So then it will print condition okay. But instead of AND, if I use OR condition. So now let's run it. In OR condition, if I previously gave x 1000 and y 11, so it says condition okay because if one condition of our is okay in a OR condition, so it will print the true. It will print condition okay. So this is the difference between AND and OR. This means that in AND if we must have a both condition will be satisfied, but in OR, in case of OR, we must have only one condition will be satisfied. Okay guys, so this is AND and OR condition. Okay, so now let's erase it and AND it. I'm taking here not condition. Okay, it says expected ye before a token. Okay, let's go to inside it. Let's take it inside it, and now let's run it. Okay, so now this, if the condition is true, it will false it. If the condition is true, it will false it. This means that now we can take the x value. Now we can take the x value less than 5 or equal to 5, because I've used a not. This means that it changed the true condition to a false condition. Let's suppose if here, and I'm using an and operator, which means that both the condition, if both the condition will be satisfied, so it will print condition okay. So now let's check it out. If I print now here 1000, and we can take y from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, here I'm taking y. So it says not okay, because now the condition is false. Now the condition of x is false. We can take now here from x to we can take now here from x from 1 to 5, not from 5 to infinity. Now let's run it again. Here I'm taking from x 4, and also from y, which is 1 to 10, from y, which is 1 to 10, I'm taking 5. So it's again, it says not okay, because both the condition are false. Both the condition are false. The true condition turn into false. Now let's run it again. Here I'm taking now from 5 for x and 11 for a y. It again says not okay. It again says not okay. Again run it again. 5 and 10 from y. So it's again, it says not okay. It says not okay because now the condition is totally changed. As you see there, reverse the result, return false if the result is true, which means that if our result is true, it turn into false. Okay. If here I'm just changing to or condition. If our one condition is true, so print condition okay. Now let's run it. If over here I print 5 and I print 8, so it says condition okay, because the one condition is okay. Which condition? The x condition, and the y condition is not okay. Y is now greater than 10. Okay guys, so these are the logical and comparison operators. So if you like my video, if you like my work, so please subscribe it. If you see any deficiency in my work, so please comment down, and I will try my best to raise it. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.